egg muffin. Hi, I'm Anupa and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana, and let's make a very classy egg muffin. Very simple recipe and very colorful. Let's quickly see what all we need to make this egg muffin. Grated cheese, chopped onion, eggs, yellow capsicum, red capsicum, green capsicum, olives, jalapenos, black pepper powder, salt. So after you have set your oven to a preheat mode, we need to preheat it at least 180 degrees Celsius. And till the time the oven is getting preheated, let's quickly pile up the muffin. I need a baking tray in which I have put water so that the steam which is generated through this water in the baking tray will help us or will cook the muffin. So I'm going to put these muffin molds on this. Right now it is floating because it is quite light. The minute you add in all the ingredients in this, it will be fine. I'm using the silicone muffin molds. So to begin with, we'll first need to put yellow pepper in each, just a little bit. After yellow, we'll put some red, but again a little bit, followed by some green. After you've added the green, we'll just sprinkle some salt over it. Okay, now let's put some onion. Just level it up. Now we have to break an egg in each, but before that, what we'll do is we'll break an egg in this, and this we'll slowly put into the muffin mold. So one egg in a bowl, and this we will slowly dip in Elena. Be careful. Okay, now slide in the yolk. Perfect. So after you have added the eggs, sprinkle some more salt, but very little, because we're going to top it up with some cheese. So little salt, very little pepper also. Let's put one slice of jalapeno. This will give that little bit of spice. Some olives. This is a quick recipe, and you can add whatever vegetables you want to this. Now, finally, we'll put some cheese. Just a little bit to cover the egg. In the preheated oven, we'll bake this for about 7 minutes, after which we'll check if the egg is cooked. If it still needs some cooking, we'll bake it for another 3 minutes. So our egg muffins are ready. You can actually demold it from the silicone. It's not very difficult. Just turn it, and after you demold it, turn it. It's still quite hot. So here you go. Egg muffins just for you. Make this recipe just the way I have made it, and you'll be very happy.